Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to set a certificate expiry date. Once you have created a test, you can configure certificate options as follows. Navigate to Tests, Manage Tests, and choose the test. Then, navigate to the certificate in the left sidebar menu. If the test doesn't contain a certificate, choose the desired certificate and confirm changes by clicking the Save button. Now, to set the certificate's expiry date, navigate to Results, Validity Settings tab. Tick the Enable Validity Period box and define validity period in days. After a defined period, the results, as well as the certificate, will become invalid. All previous test attempts will be suspended and users would need to retake the test. Completed sessions will be displayed with the label Finished, and the new sessions will be created automatically. Once you configure the results validity period, the certificate expiry date will be automatically displayed on certificate. Also, candidates will not be able to download their certificate from the application upon the expiry date. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.